Another in the epic series, Life in Hell. Part 3, Teenagers and Cars. This is Meteor. It doesn't run. This is Parker. He wants it to. Notice the grease on his hands.
Hi, this is the satellite. This was the satellite. Right now the satellite is feeling fairly naked. Hey Moo, very nice boy. I'll lend him your car. Story. He said, I was in college and I had my Studebaker. He had an accident and he messed up his radiator. So one of his roommates was a smoker. So they drained it out, took it up to the room, and they had the guy inhale and then blow out into the radiator cap. And then wherever the smoke came out, and took a little soldering iron and they fixed it. Worked fine. And then he said, satellite needs a little more than that. You need a welding torch and a lot of cigars.
What? I have no clue.
on WPDH in excess and mystifies the home of rock and roll. Now, there's a band that played over at the Orange County Fair in Middletown.